Hello again, guys. Pompey Picker back again. So today I've got the Squire Defiant padlock. Nice chunky hefty padlock. Quite a relatively difficult pick, but this one doesn't seem to put up much of a fight. But yeah, it's got 6 levers. That's the bitting of the key, and it says 6 levers, but the 4th lever operates the spring on the shackle. It's not actually a lever, so it's sort of, you have to push the shackle down to lock it. But yeah, when you're picking it, the fourth lever doesn't actually do anything, so once the bolt is turned, the 4th lever springs up and pops the shackle up. So yeah, let's try and give it a little pick. So going in with the Andy Mac Elite padlock pick set and the medium gauge wire. I can keep that shutter up out of the way, which can be a little bit of a pain, but I think she's up out of the way enough. So yeah, so there we go. Quite strong tension on this one. So yeah, we'll start at the front and just walk your way through the levers, and just look for a little bit of reaction. So we go underneath the 4th lever to get to the 5th ones, 5th and 6th lever at the back. Come back to the front. Slight bit movement there on the 3rd lever. Go back right underneath the 4th, onto the 5th and 6th lever. Slight bit of movement there, so we'll come back to the front. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2. Slight movement there on 3 again. So we'll go to the back. Slight movement on 5, and we'll back to the front. Slight movement there again, so we'll go under 4 and slight movement on 5 again. Back to the front. Oh, and there we go, open. So yeah, put up a little bit of a fight this one today, but yeah, lovely little pick, lovely little padlock. The old Squire Defiant. Didn't detect any false gates in that one, but yeah, that's about it for today, guys. Stay safe, and I'll speak to you soon.